Hey peeps, happy Wednesday. Oh, I was gonna say hi to Marco, but he's in ISS. Free my boy Marco. Okay, so today we're gonna do Polygon angle sum theorem. Okay, so our general formula that we have done is n minus 2 times 180. Okay, what does n stand for? The number of sides. Okay, so and we have this practice problem over here, and so we're gonna do it. So how many sides does this have? Count them. 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so we would say 6 minus 2 times 180. Type that in, see what you get. Dante, what'd you get? 540. Okay, so we know that this whole thing equals 540. Okay, the whole thing equals 540. Okay, and we know most of these angles, but they want you to find the other one. So essentially what you're going to be doing, okay, is saying, and I can do it two ways, but you can take all of these that have a number and add them together. So it's going to be 156 on your calculator plus 122 plus 143 plus 108 plus 110 plus n is going to equal 540. Okay, so combine all these. Type them in your calculator and see what you get. Huh? 639? I don't feel like that's right.
No, it's like the 156, 122, 143, 108, and 110 equal what? 8 equals 639.
8 equals 639?
Yeah, just the one time.
Then something's not right here. Okay, because, and the reason I know, because the whole thing equals 540, so how is this 639? So are you sure that it equals 540?
Yeah.
See, I knew his ass was being sketchy. It's 720, not
720. Brenda, it's just because my camera's on. Why are you over there cursing? 720. Okay, so now this looks better. Okay, so obviously I cannot have a negative angle. Okay, and this number should always be smaller. Okay, so now we're solving for n, so we're going to say minus 639 minus 639. So I got n equals, what is 720 minus 639? What is it? 81? 81 what? Degrees. We're talking about an angle. Okay, so we found that an empty extra angle. So you could, you don't have to by any means, but you could go through here and essentially we know now that this one is 81 degrees. Okay. Okay, look at number 1. How many sides? There's 4 sides, so we got, it's going to be 4 minus 2 times 180. And what is that? 360. Okay, so we can say, and you take all these and you put n plus 44 plus 152 plus 37 equals 360. Okay, combine these ones. So n plus 233 equals 360. Minus 233. 127 degrees. Does that make sense what we're doing? Okay, now let me show you a cheater way. That's 10 times faster. Okay, go to the next page. Okay, first of all, how many sides is on here? 5. So really, you got 5 minus 2 times 180.
A lot of the numbers are like where it's not readable on our paper.
Okay, so mine says 120, 150 degrees, 110, and then there's a square. Huh? So it's 90. Why is it 90? It's a right angle. Okay, so there's 4 sides, so it's going to be, is there 4 sides? 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. So really it's 5 minus 2 times 180. What did you get for that?
540.
540. Okay, so now here's the cheater way. So we know that the whole thing is 540, right? So on your calculator, type in 540, and you're going to say minus 90, minus 110, minus 120, minus 150. And you don't have to write these all on your paper. Huh? 70? So we already know that our missing angle is 70 degrees. Okay, so rather than writing them all out and subtracting it over, you can just subtract it from the total amount from the beginning. Okay? And honestly, like, you don't even need to do all this on your paper. Okay? That's really not necessary.
Okay, what are the 3 numbers you got?
Okay, so this one says 120, 85, 53. Can you see this one or this one? You can see them both on your paper?
Yeah.
The numbers? Okay, so on this one, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. So what's 5 sides equal? 540. So you're going to say 540 minus what? 110, 150, 120, and what's the last one? 90. Good. Okay, type that in your calculator, see what you get. What'd you get? 70? I think this is the exact same problem.
It is. Instead of the next one.
No, the next one's different numbers.
I mean, next, probably next.
No, it's not. It's different numbers.
Hey,
Oh, down below. Okay, so you can cross this one out. What? Well, why was you not looking when I was writing? Quit trying to do extra. Just follow along, and then you can do it on your own. Okay, look at 7. How many sides? 5. So we know that it should be 540, right? Okay, and then we're going to say minus 117, minus 100, minus 115, minus 105. Type those in, see what you get. Huh? 103? Good. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we know this is going to be 540 minus 105 minus 90 minus 137 minus 86. What'd you get? Somebody. I don't have a calculator. Anaya, what'd you get? 122 degrees. Okay, you guys go through, do the rest, and then put your paper in the box.